And today I'll show you how to export as a PNG file on Photoshop. So we have two situations, either if we want to export this photo as a PNG, or I have an actual PNG. This one is from here. So either we have the photo or the object. Let's see how can we export something as a PNG. Let's start with this picture. Either you go to file, then you'll find export and export as right here. You'll get into this menu, or either you have the shortcut. If you press Alt, Shift, Ctrl and W, you will get into the exact same menu, but this is the shortcut. Enter here the resolution or leave it as it is. This is the initial resolution for the project. Then you can select PNG from here, press on export, give it a name here, then select where you want it to be saved, then press on save. The second situation is what if we want to export an object as a PNG like this one. It's the same thing. We have to press Alt, Shift, Ctrl and W to get into the same menu, select PNG, press on export and leave it to desktop or whatever. Or if you want to cut something, as an example, let's cut the same thing which we cut earlier. Select the object, press Ctrl and C as in Charlie to copy, then press Ctrl and V to paste it, V as in Victor. Then at the layer menu you can find it is right here. Right click on the layer which you want to save, quick export as PNG, give it a name and let's save it to desktop. And I have all the things which I saved on my desktop right here. So I really hope I help you with this tutorial how to export something as a PNG in Photoshop. I hope you have a great day.